Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to see a MERN application which is made for a computer sales and services shop. This is the online market we are dealing through this site. So let us check out. First, this is the home page of our application. We have given the logo of the customer, just a small description about what they are doing, and we have two buttons here, and we have added a small animation to the buttons. And one of the buttons take you to the configure your own PC page, and next is to the cart. For both the pages there is another accessibility, which is I have given a cart emblem on the header. You can click on it, it will take you to the cart page. Right now we are not logged in, that's why the warning is showing. So let's go back. Since this is a demo site, we have given the warning on the top of the home page, and we have 5 links on our header. This is how the page behaves in the larger screen. We will check out the responsiveness of the site in the end of this video. So this is all about the home page. There is one more functionality which is of the contact us page. But before that, let us check out the footer. In the footer, I have given the links of all the links in the header section also, like home, products and configure. And I give the complete address, email ID and contact phone in the contact us section in the footer. For the socials of this customer, we have given as a follow us header, and we have given the icons of the social platforms. Click on this and it will take you to the social platforms of the customer. Now let us go back to the header. This is the header. In the header also there you can see the contact us link. Once you click on it, it will take you to the footer back. So this is all about the home page. Now let us check out the products page. For a guest user, there is only 2 pages accessible in this application. One is the home page that as we see now, and next is the products page. To access all other links and all other features and to purchase and everything, you have to log in first. So whenever you click on that functionality, it will show up a warning like you should log in first to access that property. So let us go to the products page and check it out. So this is the products page. We have created some cards for the products. In the top section there is a category bar. So in the categories band you can select the category you want to check out. For example, right now on default this is in the all section categories. Click on the laptops, it will filter and give you only the laptops, printers, accessories, etc. And there is one more way to filter up the category. In the above there is a category button also. And in the search bar, if you are not sure about the item or you have only some keywords, for example you want to check out the laptops of Asus, just type the keyword and press enter. So that will be filtered. Now let us check out what is there in each individual cards. In every card there is the picture and the item name and the category which it belongs, and there is a ribbon which shows whether the item is in stock or not, and then you have the specifications of the system, and then the price and the offer and the add to cart button. The ribbon in stock and out of stock is valid when you go to the cart, that we will check in a moment. And here is the add to cart button, but to add to cart you have to log in first, otherwise you will get this warning. So that's all about the products page also. Now let us see if a user is login and check out the remaining features. For that there is the sign in button here. Click on that. In this case I am going to create a new user, so here is the sign up button. I'm clicking this. You will get the default profile image, and I am giving username as s2 and the Gmail as test. I am giving the same email as the password also and signing up. So you will get the success message here. Now I am signing in using the same credentials. Okay, I'm successfully signed in. Now let us check out the cards and the remaining features. First, I am adding 3 items to the cart. I am adding this laptop, so it will take me to the profile cart page. I'm going back, adding another item. See, right now you see here again the out of stock button. What this means is the item is out of stock, and in the bottom we have given it the note that if the item is stock, it is not shown the price or anything, and once the item is came back in stock, we can notify the customer. Let me add one more item. See, now we have 2 items here and one is out of stock. Here there is the remove button. You can remove an item from here. For example, click on this, the item will be removed and you will get the message here. And you can also update the item quality. For example, here in the mouse I am updating the quality to 3 and clicking update. So the price will be changed as per the new quantity. I can reduce also. So this is the price and everything. Here you can see your final bill including the tax and the delivery charges, and then in the right side there is the delivery address region. Since this is a new user, the delivery address position is empty, so I am adding a delivery address. So click on the button and it will take you to the delivery address page. I am adding some details here. Since this is a dummy address, I am giving this as this and I am clicking on save. It is taking you back to the cart page. Since this is a dummy site, I am giving this as some dummy address and I am clicking on the save. So it will take you back to the cart page once it is saved. Now you can see the complete address here. So that is completed. Now let us check out how the payment works. Now if you want to purchase the item, all of the other things are completed. Now click on the proceed to payment page. It will take you to the payment window. So once you click on the proceed payment page, it will take you to the Razorpay payment page. So here, to click the card details, click on the Google for some dummy Razorpay card details. So the Razorpay documents will give you a dummy card number. Take that number and give it here. In the month and date, give something dummy, and the CV also enter some random 3 numbers and click on continue. And when you are giving this, be careful, don't give your original card details or anything. Just go to Google, take some dummy card details from the Razorpay account and give that. Here in the OTP also I am giving some dummy numbers and clicking on submit. OTP also gives some 5 random numbers and it will proceed the payment. Now let us check out the other features. Now we have seen the cart, how items is added and purchase everything. Now let us go to the configure PC page. This is an important feature of this application. Once we go to this page, you will get 3 subscription plans: basic, standard and premium. As per this, you will get the quotations in the future. So for here I am choosing the basic and I am clicking on subscribe. So this also has taken you to the payment page. So this is a subscription payment page. Here click on pay using card. Just as before, as I said, give some dummy card details, and in the expiry also give some dummy date and some random CCV number, and click on pay now. For right now I am skipping this step, and your payment is proceeding. Give some random OTP, click on submit. So now the payment is completed. Here you can see your payment ID and everything there, and now you are entered the configure your own PC page. This is an important section of this application. Here you can see in each section there is a drop down button, and on the above there is the feature. For example, here this is the CPU, and in the drop down buttons you can select Intel or AMD, any CPU type from here. To select those CPU for the customer, we have given some pointers on the right side. A new customer or a client who have not that much knowledge about configuring a PC can read these pointers and select the features they want from the drop down button. The second option is for the RAM, and on the right side there is a size of the RAM is also specified, so you can choose that from here, and the description and the pointers is here. There is storage, GPU, motherboard, PSU, and the casing. The cooling system is if you want, and in here there is a small text area. In the text area is if the customer need any additional softwares also when the computer is configuring, they can specify that also here. And in the final section there is the email. For now, let us try giving some dummy details. I am selecting i3, RAM DDR5 of 8 GB, and some storage. I'm selecting a cooling system, and I am giving I want auto. Yeah. Installed. Okay. Now I am entering an email, and I am submitting my request. So here your code request is submitted successfully, and we will send you an email with detailed code. You got the success message. What happened just now is your request for code is submitted to the customer's email and in the database. They will refer to it and give you a detailed code soon. So this is how the configure the PC functionality works. And finally, let us check out what the seller account is. Click on this. A seller account page is the page for someone who wish to sell something with us. Here they can fill out their company details. I'm giving some dummy details here. Their address also. Here you can enter your dummy bank details and add some description, and then you can submit here. So once you submit here, you have seen the success message, and it will be redirected to the home page. What happens is once you click on submit in the seller account, all the details will be submitted via email to the customer. So the customer can review on that and call back call back the seller to proceed further on selling in their websites. So let us go back to the home page. Now there is one more functionality, is the sign out. So let us check out here. I am clicking on the sign out. Here you get the sign out successful message. Now let us sign in again. So we are signed in now. Here in the profile image, once you click on it, it will take you to the profile page. In the profile page, there are two windows. One is for the profile details and one is for the delivery information. Here you can click on the edit or change delivery information. Here you can see all the address and everything. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Or otherwise, in the profile section, there is two buttons. One is for the edit profile and the delete account. Let us click on the edit profile. Here the email and username is auto-filled. You can add a new password or copy paste the same password as we have before. And here is the image changing functionality. If you want to change the image, click on the select image to select a new image, and from your desktop take any image and click on open. So the image is changed. Now click on save changes. See, now the profile picture is changed. And the another functionality is the delete account. So right now everything is completed. I am going to delete this account. Click on the delete account. Once you click on the delete account, a modal will be opened and it will show you the warning message that all your details and subscriptions will be gone. Are you sure to delete this account or not? If I am click on yes, I am sure, the account will be deleted. So now try to log in with the same details. See, it shows wrong credentials, so that the account is deleted. So that's all for this application. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. If you want to see the full code, please comment below. I will upload the complete video of how to make this application from the start to end. Thank you for watching.